Anambra State, light of the nation. Located in southeast geopolitical zone of Nigeria, Anambra State is an inland state with its capital in Awka. The people of the state are warm, hospitable, and highly enterprising, and could be found engaged in trading all over the country. The state is comprised of 21 local government areas, namely Agwata, Anambra, Anambra East, Awka North, Awka South, Anosha, Ayamelu, Dunukofia, Nnewi North, Nnewi South, Ojoto, Onitsha North, Onitsha South, Obaru, Ekwusigo, Njikoka, Idemmili North, Idemmili South, Orumba North, Orumba South, Anosha and Ihiala. History. Anambra State was created in 1976 from old Eastern Central State with its capital at Enugu. A further reorganization of the Nigerian Federation in 1991 saw the state divided into two states, Anambra and Enugu States, with its new capital at Awka. People and culture. The state is predominantly occupied by the Igbo ethnic group, who by nature are farmers, fishermen, craftsmen, and traders. Among crops grown by farmers in the states are yam, palm produce, rice, cassava, cocoyam, vegetables, and different varieties of fruit trees, among others. They are also involved in fishing, particularly those living in the riverine areas of the state, while their craftsmanship are nationally and internationally recognized, as evident in the iron-smithing works of Awka people and the bronze sculptures of Ibuku, etc. Anambra State is renowned for its abundant works of art, and this explains the avalanche of art center and artists found in the state. The state is home to magnificent bronze works, iron works, pottery, and artists that place the state in the league of the most cultured, endowed state in Nigeria. Geography. Anambra State is located in south-central area of southeastern Nigeria. With Imo State, it forms the heartland of Igboland. It has an estimated population of 7,821,850 people, which stretches over about 60 kilometers between surrounding communities. It is reputed to have the highest population density in Africa, with an estimated density of 1,500 to 2,000 persons per square kilometer. The state is bordered by Delta State to the west, Imo State to the south, Enugu State to the east, and Kogi State to the north. Though its mineral resources remain untapped, Anambra State is rich in natural gas, crude oil, bauxite, ceramics, and arable soil. Weather, climate. Anambra State boasts of undulating landscape with tall trees and rich vegetation that is green all year round. The state experiences two major seasons: the rainy season, which starts at the end of the month of March and lasts till end of October, and dry season, which starts in the month of November and ends in the month of March. It records about 3,000 millimeters of rainwater per annum. This makes the area suitable for agricultural production. Among fruit crops grown in the state include yam, cassava, cocoyam, rice, pepper, palm produce, among others. Cities and towns. Other important cities and towns include Onitsha, Nnewi, Obosi, Ogidi, Abagana, Alo, Atane, Neni, Mkpọ, Nnobi, Adazi Nnukwu, Adazi Enu, Adazi Ana, Ọba, Ukpo, Ụmụdịọka, Ọkịja, Ọka Etiti, Ekwulobia, Aguleri, Umuleri, Ihiala, Unubi, Nanka, Agolo, Ozuboro, Oraifite, Isuofia, Ibuku, Ichida. Attractions in the states. The Ebwe charm. These are then guns used for hunting and ceremonies in pre-colonial days, and most of these are of cast iron and locally made. It is a well-known fact that these guns made of iron and powered by gunpowder were used by Igbo even before recorded history. Aluminium pot molding. This is a center of aluminium pot molding and production where craftsmen exhibit cultural ingenuity and skill passed down from ancestral lineage by the progenitors. The production involves a high level of proficiency and efficiency, which is shown by a large number of finished products turned out on daily basis. Ibuku bronze. Ibuku, an ancient town and renowned cradle of Igbo civilization, has remained an attraction to tourists because of the bronze artifacts dating back to the 9th century AD, which was first discovered in 1938. The artifacts discovered are kept in Ibuku Museum include vessels and pots, decorated staff heads, bronze snakes, etc. Oba Waterfalls, Owerri Zukala. This is an impressive waterfall at Owerri Zukala, a border town in Anambra State which shares boundaries with Imo, Abia and Enugu states. The waterfall is found in front of the Oba Ukwu cave, gushing out from a spring on top of the huge and imposing Oba rock. It forms an eternal stream at the foot of the cave, rains down forever. The amazing part of this scenic waterfall is that the water that falls on the heap of the rock below forms a sparkling rainbow color that leaves a tourist gaping in wonder. The enticing waterfall is better seen than described. Rogeni Tourist Village, Oba. Located in Oba alongside Onisha Owerri Road, the tourist village provides exotic tropical atmosphere for relaxation, picnicking, cultural entertainment and nature conservation. It has a small game reserve with animals such as baboon, chimpanzee, crocodile, alligators, peacock, water turtle, python, eagle, lion, tortoise, hyena, hawk, green monkey, etc. Agolo Lake. Situated between Agolo and Nri communities of Anosha local government area, the lake is a natural lake with a wide of 7 km and it is rich in aquatic life such as rare species of crocodiles, fish, etc. The beautiful scenery of the lake provides a soothing environment for picnics as well as water sports such as skiing, boating and fishing. Idemili Cultural Center. Situated just by Agolo Lake, the center is a magnificent building owned by the chief priest of Agolo Lake and it offers a beautiful panoramic view of the lake. Ordinary Museum. The museum at Nri Village in Anosha local government is sponsored by the Institute of African Studies, University of Ibadan. Its core collection includes a wide range of sculptural works, paintings, carvings, pottery, traditional costumes, ancient war equipment and metal works. Ikenga Virgin Forest. This is the only known virgin forest in Nigeria, as the Teak Forest Reserve has neither been cultivated nor its tree cut till date. It is a typical rainforest composed of tall evergreens, climbers and teak shrubs, reputed to be the home of many species of animals that have gone extinct in other parts of the country. Butu Lake, Omogo. This is an offshoot of Odo River, covering a large 10 hectares of land, and people come here all the year round for fishing and excursions. The lake provides water for irrigation of nearby rice and vegetable farms during the dry season. Opuana Natural Spring, Opo. This spring, whose source is unknown, simply gushes out of a large boulder embedded in a cliff and is regarded as the purest waters to be found anywhere. The spring forms a stream at the bottom, which has a beautiful bed of white clay, giving it an entirely surreal atmosphere. Obuafonri Museum. This is a private museum established by the Ezenry of Enugu, and it has a wide range of collections of works of arts. There exist also other craftships and galleries in Nri, where tourists can easily buy works of art. Agolonanka Erosion Site. This is a gully of about 200 meters deep, an extensive site covering several square kilometers. The site continues to attract tourists and scholars within and outside the country. The River Niger Bridge. The bridge spanning across River Niger connecting Onitsha South local government in Anambra State with Asaba in Delta State. The bridge is a gateway between the east and western Nigeria. Onitsha Main Market. This market is believed to be the largest in West Africa, in which all forms of trades are transacted daily. Other places of interest include Ajale Cave, Obutu Lake, Ndikelionwu in Urumba North Local Government, Iyosha Amoepela Lake in Agwata Local Government, Ezunwo Binago Lake, Northia, Ekoka Market. The very busy Ekoka Market is the biggest in Oka in the heart of Anambra State. It is one-stop shop for locals who can find items such as clothes, furniture, and other household goods. The market has numerous plazas where you can find different boutiques and supermarkets prominently displaying and advertising their goods. Tourist Garden Hotels. Located in Oka along Enugu-Onitsha Expressway, the hotel is one of the newest luxurious hotels offering unparalleled choices of facilities, entertainment and relaxation where visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the city in an unspoiled country. Marble Ash Hotel. The hotel has about 100 elegant and warmly furnished rooms, well spacious with swimming pool and other modern facilities. It is located in a serene environment. Ban Hill Resort and Park. This is a 37-room bed and breakfast with a Japanese garden and a canopy and chairs. The rooms are elegantly furnished, comfortable sand, spacious with plasma. Thanks for exploring Anambra, Igboland with us. Please subscribe to our channel Igbo Area TV for more updates. Bye for now.